Cheers!
Yeah!
Nalagi mo! Hey guys, we're heading to Waterfront Cebu Hotel for Winefest at Gourmet Walk. And I'm wearing red because yesterday is Valentine's Day. And gahapon na yellow ko, kay bitter ko gahapon, pero kay dili na. Anyway, here's Sean of his hidden of his hidden letters. His hiddenletters.com. Go ahead and visit his site. Abot na sa destination. Sa mong atuan kay awkward kayo magsigig vlog sa public do kasi kilakaw-lakaw. See ya!
Yeah!
Boom! Travel vlog. Pinaglen ang bukay. And we are here at Waterfront and getting inside the Gourmet Walk. Hinahanap ko sa lightning kayo, magwapo ko. Like and subscribe. Kung asa nyo pa doon, like and subscribe. And dara! And I guess we're too early. It's only Carlo of Calami, Cebu. Uy, Jomar! Hi! This is Jomar. Hi everyone. Like and subscribe. Hey guys, I'm currently here at the Gourmet Walk and we're trying out lots of wine because yeah, it's a wine fest and yay! And let's enjoy. So let's try first Muscador and Grand Tierra. Try. Just do a live face reaction, guys. Okay? Live face reaction. Yeah, tamis siya. Yeah, tamis siya. Let's try. This is Grand Tierra, and this is said to be not sweeter than the one that we had earlier. So let's try. Yeah, mas sweeter tong ganiha. Sweeter siya, and mas na-taste na ko ang pagka-wine. So, mas France ang Muscador, okay. Hey, France ang Muscador, so Miss Universe. Shout out mga best. Eto na. Let's move to the next station.
Hi, bye. Yeah, we buy cider. We have crocodile fingers and ostrich salticals. And try with their wine. This is by Master Chef. So this will pair well with their Cabernet Grand Reserva.
Actually, ang ostrich is amo po ng product and we came from the first Philippine ostrich farm in the Philippines, which actually found in Cagayan de Oro City.
Hi.
Oh, sigado na yun. Come on, ah.
Let's try. I'm trying out Morande Grand Reserva, and this is best tried with kanang crocodile. And it's my first time eating crocodile, and
This is
this is crocodile finger. I'm gonna try ostrich.
crocodile, guys. Crocodile.
Sorry mga ostrich, I'm gonna eat ya. Masag beast.
Oh, di ba? How did this one like anyway?
Wala po ka try.
Fingers. I like this one. Mura siya isda, manok mo na.
Ako nang kuan. Chicken nuggets. Basig maklingi niya ka na kung isod na.
And this is the crocodile?
No, crocodile fingers.
Crocodile fingers. Sorry. Sorry, Crocs. Punta ni mo si Peter Pan. Sige lang. I'm gonna eat siya. Because I'm Peter Pan, okay? What is this?
The dark one is ostrich.
Para sa vlog.
Parang breaded crocodile.
Actually, lami ang crocodile.
You like wearing shoes na crocodile? You're wearing... You have a
The
belt.
crocodile is a giant nut. The crocodile tastes like chicken. And I like it. And let's drink some Morande, shall we? Cheers, mga best. Actually, Morande Grand Reserva. Ito yung pangalan rin. This is, mas isog siya kasi sa ganihan akong i-taste. And kaya lami siya together with crocodiles and ostrich. And cheers, guys! I did try the crocodile and it's
Chicken nuggets. So you will pair the Sauvignon Blanc to the crocodile.
Ikaw unang mudaan ang kuwan sa crocodile, sa ostrich, sa kaning
Pairings. It's up to you naman. The first modular first rule is white is to white, red is to red, but usually it will break the rule mo. It depends sa palate man sa drinker. They prefer white for the red meal or they prefer red for the white. Ano siya so
Maraming salamat, Kuya Kim. Red to red, white to white.
Yeah.
Hey. Cheers, mga best! Yeah. Mas lighter siya sa ganiya. Mas lighter siya sa... Why do you always forget the name? Makalimut siya mo sa pangalan. Bahala ka na eh. Basta, mas light na siya. No?
O ikaw, kung tatanong yung feel ako, abi pa lang nga. Basta, mga best, mga friend. Alam mo, kung pinaka-walk-in rin, ikaw na wala kasi.
And I'm gonna taste the Argentinian white wine. And let's see how it differs from the Chilean. Chilean daw ang pang-term, mga best. So tara, cheers!
Mas isog lagi siya.
Yeah. I think I really need to eat crocodile. I think I really need to eat. Kani? Apparently, I tasted. I paired red meat to white wine. Kaya nahutang crocodile meat. Pero okay na siya. And yeah, at least pagpakuan ba kay isog bitaw ko. Hi, Emily. Hello. Hey guys, I'm trying out Chilean wine. It's called Montes. From Ralph's Wine and Spirit. Cheers, mga best. How would you differ the white wines?
The white wines at the rose something.
Rosé, sorry. Rosé. Sorry. Rosé.
Differentiate kay dito. Naa siya aftertaste ang ila white wala.
As in,
Basta kay dito. Na siya aftertaste. Pagabot na to dito sa more ano siya?
lagi ang Chilean dito kay wala aftertaste, diba?
Oh,
Gamay.
wala aftertaste.
Short, ang Chilean dito kay
Short,
gamay
dili
ra.
ka mangitag pagkaon, pagkauman mo ginom. Pero
True.
ang ilang red wine dito,
Ilang red wine kay-
dugay o aftertaste, so kailangan ibang kaon.
So sa may kalian yan diri.
Ang kalian nila dire kay wala ko ka-try. So,
This is Montes red wine. Dara. Here, trying it out. Cheers mga best.
wala aftertaste, nindot ni siya.
Bitaw, dali na kasi mawala.
Wala ka wala. Competitor.
wines and spirits. Oh my God, anak ko si
Wow,
Pairings.
boy! Nalagos TV.
Pasig mo na siya ito yung maka 1,000 views ko. Guys, kinahanglan ako muhiya klaro kaya kung tiyan klaro kay beer.
Nara guys, nara.
Beer belly. Let's drink wine because it's healthier. Healthier, di ba? Healthier ba ng wine than beer and rum.
Vlogging, go.
Pero bitaw, usually ang mga ginadala sa bukid is Emperador, Tanduay, and yung mga madali. And yeah, hopefully on our next track, we're gonna bring some wines. Pero pangutan na, unsa nga wine ang dadon. Alright? Alright.
Ito, nalipong na bitaw ko. Nalipong na ko guys. Mga best, kung inyo kong pangitaon or mawala kay ko, di ko kaulit sa malay ron, like and subscribe. Okay?
Kat, natilawan na yung tanano. Asa na nimong pinakaganahan?
Ako pinakaganahan kay katon na dito because it's sweet. It tastes like mango. And mango is my favorite fruit.
Thank you. Boom! And we are at the last station. And Miss, unsa na ka Miss? Vlog.
Oh, the vlog. Oh my
Yeah.
God. This, we have the barefoot one. This is the Moscato, and this is the Merlot. So, no, she likes the white one. It's sweet, yeah.
It's sweet.
Yeah, it's fruity, something like that.
What fruit?
Fruitful.
Fruit.
Yeah.
I'm trying out Barefoot California, and they said that it's tasty and it's fruitful, so I'm trying it out. Okay? Right. Cheers. Bitaw, tamis ay. Yeah, indeed it is fruitful. Tamis siya. Tamis siya. Yeah. So mga best, ay mong pailad alam mga sweet kay mga tao kay tayo duro gyapon na sa pagka-ending, okay? Alright. Kasi walang forever. So guys, this is the Barefoot Moscato California, and this is the sweetest one I ever tasted in this event. We're done with today's event. Visit here at the Winefest at Gourmet Walk in Waterfront Hotel Cebu, and there are 4 so far na wine booths, and yeah, they taste really good, and then you can try. They are up until February 19, and they're really great. So see you next time, and hope you like and subscribe my YouTube channel, Blue. Nalipong na ba ito ko mga best, so kamo na bahala. Alright?